Hello everyone, today to celebrate the 17th of August, Independence Day of Indonesia, here in St. John's Catholic School we have open house. So today open house, there will be so many activities. There will be lots of food, drinks, lots of fun games, and of course 17-an games as well.
In primary department, we are having a bike decorating competition. And not just that, we also have events held in booths and stalls for education and learning purposes.
Hello, welcome to the Junior High School Exhibition, where we have all the booths with the subjects and people are able to try out these activities.
So if you guys are interested in this video, come and join us to see this video I've prepared for all of you.